Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. So as you can see, they are available right here and I can try to pair them, but after a few moments I will get information that they cannot communicate with my phone. As you can see, that's the notification, and to fix that I can recommend you to first of all just go back from the Bluetooth on your phone and turn it off. Next, remember to put both earbuds inside this charging case, open the case, and then click and hold this button. Let's do this right now, until this indicator turns to this solid white light, and after that it will start blinking like that. So we have to wait at least 15 seconds. As you can see, there it is, solid white light. And right now it's blinking, so we have to release. Right now our earbuds are in the pairing mode, so turn on Bluetooth on your phone, click to pair new device, try to connect them right now, and as you can see, everything is fine. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.